Here's our new house. Ooh. Hey, Mr. Kobe. What's up, buddy? Found a good bush to shishi on. Here's the front door. Here's the big front room, formal dining room, office. Hey, Jess.
Hey.
Nice bathroom. Yay! This is our living room. And you can see outside the yard. And breakfast nook. Jessica cleaning the kitchen. Laundry room. Big garage. Packing, unpacking. And then real quick upstairs. Here's Mom's room. Getting all ready for her. Ian's room. Happy boy to have some privacy finally. Maya's room. And my room. And that's it. Love you guys.